Welcome to Brain Vision.
So the period of pendulum is given by t equals to 2 pi square root of L over g, and the length is assumed to be same for the pendulum both on Mars and on Earth. So that means from this equation we can write the ratio of the time period at Mars and on Earth. So that's a big M. Is equal to 2 pi square root of L divided by gravity on Mars divided by 2 pi square root of L divided by gravity on Earth. So this is equal to square root of g Earth divided by g Mars. So from there, if we solve for t Mars, that will be equal to t Earth times square root of g Earth divided by g Mars, which is equal to 1.85 seconds times square root of 1 over 0.37, which is equal to 3 seconds. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you next.